Alibaba just dropped a new AI and people are saying it might be even better than ChatGPT. So I had to test it out. Let's see if Qwen2.5-Max really lives the hype. First test is if this AI is able to create a whole Tetris game with just this little prompt. So help me create a full Tetris game in a modern design in a simple HTML code to play right now. Let's send this message. We want to make sure that on the top left corner is 0.5-Max selected, and then we got this quick response already. So certainly below is a complete Tetris game written in a single HTML file. It uses modern JavaScript and for clean design CSS. You can copy this code into HTML file and open it into your browser. Play the game. So this one is the code already written in seconds. Let's wait. The AI is finished now. So we have 259 code lines, and down here we even have a short instruction how we can play. So copy the above code into an HTML file, open the file in any modern web browser, use the arrows to control the pieces, left arrow, right, and so on. Enjoy playing Tetris. So let's try if this game working. Okay, so we have this game right here now, and now we should play. So left and right possible. We can drop the pieces down fast. We can use spacebar and we can rotate the pieces. So I think this one works pretty well. Only bad thing is that the design is not really modern. So it's more like a simple design, but it works. So that's a plus for Qwen. Next test is Qwen AI able to teach me Spain in a simple way? So I want to learn Spain, and here is the prompt. Teach me the basics of Spain in a fun and engaging way. Start with essential phrases, pronunciation tips, and a simple practice exercise. So let's paste this in, and now we should immediate response. Hola, welcome to the vibrant world of Spain, a land of flamenco, paella, and so on. Essential phrases. Here are some must-know phrases to get started. Hola, por favor, gracias, de nada, you're welcome. So we first got some vocabulary and short phrases. Then down here we have pronunciation tip. So J sounds like, for example, jamon is pronounced jamon. Roll your R, stress syllables, words ending in a vowel. N or S, stress the second to last syllable. Okay, so this is quite accurate, I think. Unlike English, each vowel has sound. Okay, so we got these tips as requested, and down here we have a fun practice exercise written by the AI. Let's play a game called Match the Phrase. Below are 3 Spanish phrases mixed up with their English translation. Can you match them correctly? Okay, so a Spanish phrase, gracias por todo, and down here we have these answers in English, these translations in English, sorry. Thank you for everything. Que tengas un buen día. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. Bien provecho. Enjoy your meal. So I think this one worked, and down here we have the answers. So it even thought about the thing. If we have the answers right down under the exercise, we could be able to see it while training Spain. So this one is pretty solid. Bonus fact, fun fact, did you know that Spaniards greet each other with kisses on the cheek? It's called dar dos besos, and it's common when meeting friends or family. Just remember, start with the right cheek. Okay, so this one worked as well. It's a little bit short, so the essential phrases are a little bit longer, I think, but all in all, that's a good start to learn Spain. Next thing is to write a short sci-fi story. So let's start a new chat, and we have this prompt: write a short sci-fi story in the style of Black Mirror. The short story should be between 500 and 1000 words, have a strong twist ending, and explore ethical dilemmas related to AI and technology. So let's put this in, and now the AI is thinking already, and the output is taking a little bit. The Echo Protocol. In the year 27, humanity had reached a technological zenith. The world was interconnected by an omnipresent AI system known as Echo, designed to optimize every aspect of human life. Okay, so it's still writing this little text, if you are interested in reading this story, I will scroll down really slow right now, and then you can read this text and check if this is readable like Black Mirror. Okay, so I think we can go further with the next text. Next one is create a short story which is written by a human. So create a short story. The topic does not matter. You can decide. You have to make sure for 100% that the text is humorized and passes an AI detector 100%. So this is the prompt. Now this is also finished, and we can copy and paste right here the whole text, and then paste this one in right here and click for the scan. AI phrase selected, human for sure. Okay, so AI content found 100%. So this one did not work. We have AI content, right? Let's go to this AI test on detect AI, and also right here we have 3%. So this one did not work. If you want to do your homework, choose another AI than Qwen2.5-Max. Let's go over to the last test to create a little picture of an airplane on the ground with a cat. So we want to click right here, image generation, and then create a picture of a realistic plane on the ground with a cat on it, and this message. And as this one should work really fast. So it does not take 10 seconds to create the whole picture, and probably too well. Okay, so the last 1% is taking a while. And here's the cat and the airplane. I think this picture looks like we have a realistic plane. The door is a little bit off, but all in all, this is 8. Let's test another one. So cat on a plane of Maldives. Let's take a look what the AI is making out of this prompt. So we have this result. The door is a little bit bad, but this one is crazy. This picture is really so the cat looks a little bit AI generated, but picture all in all, especially the background, pretty realistic. So I'm happy with this feature. To complete this whole test, we have to say that Qwen AI is really a good alternative for all the other AIs. So we have a total free interface. We have the selection of different AIs, AI tools, models, and we have options like video creation, image creation, web search, and we can code. This one worked as well, and we can learn simple things like learning a language. So I'm pretty impressed by all the AIs coming out. So Deepseek AI, Qwen AI, and the updates of ChatGPT as well. So if you want to see a test of Deepseek AI versus ChatGPT, click on this video right here.